Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. I'm doing another unboxing today because I wanted to do this separate to my pre-order unboxing. This is also from Stampin Up. This is the Everything is Rosy product medley. Now what Stampin Up are going to be doing is just now and again randomly, I don't know if there's any rhyme or reason to it, doesn't sound like there's going to be, they're just going to release a box of products. It's not the paper pumpkin that you might have heard of, which is like a subscription, sort of a monthly box of goodies. This is totally separate. This is what they're calling a product medley. And what you do is you buy the kit, you buy the whole thing, and it's full of products that all coordinate, that are exclusive, that aren't in the catalogue, and are mostly full-size products, I think. So what have we got in here? I have opened it very briefly and had a quick look at it. I think we'll start off with the stamp set. So for starters, you get a stamp set. It's a full-size stamp set. It's a photopolymer set. The stamps are true to size on the cover, I think. Yeah, looks to be so. Yeah. They're really cute, and there's some sentiments here. May your birthday be filled with pretty things. Don't let worry spoil your happy. Thank you, dear friend. Time to celebrate all the lovely things in life, starting with you, and congratulations. And then there's all these little different floral bits and bobs and some lovely leaves. I'm going to try and create some DSP using the new ink colours. So I've got the Rococo Rose and the Seaside Spray. Then you get dies that go with the stamps, I'm assuming. I can never get into these things. This is a project I've got on my to-do list, is to make lovely Anne Melvin laminated pouches and magnetic holders for all my dies, because I can't find them at the minute, and I'm losing things as well, which is really annoying. And these Stampin' Up pockets are really great. They're really protective. They're super durable, hard wearing, but you can't see what's in them. Yeah, so you get the flower and the centre, the small flower, all the leaves, and then you get this sort of leafy strip that you can put down the side or across the bottom. They're really nice, actually. Then you've got 2 ribbons, and I don't know how much is in each one, but they're not pretty full spools. Usually when you get 2 ribbons in Stampin' Up, you get sort of a combined 9 yards. So there's the crinkle ribbon, which is, I'm not even sure what colour it's in. Is it in the new? No, I don't know. I'll find out though. And then you've got the like a navy ribbon with sort of a powder pink trim. So that's really nice. Then you've got a mini shimmer. Is it shimmer paint? Let me just have a look. All-purpose ink, and that's in rose gold. Oh, that's nice. So that's lovely. And then yeah, a piece of card. I don't know if that's, oh yeah, that will get used. Then you've got this rose gold metallic sticker. Now this top piece comes off, so this can be used as like a little overlay effect, but then you also get the little mirrored rose gold dots as well to use, and they're all self-adhesive. So that's quite a nice little touch. And then you get the papers and die cuts. So, I mean, you don't even need to have any tools to be able to create a lovely card with these. These are all coordinating die cuts. I mean, it will say on the bump that comes, that I've posted, what colours these are. I mean, you're definitely looking at night and navy here. And some of the different pinks that are going on. You've got these foiled sort of tags that are really pretty. Get 2 sheets of those. And then another set of foiled tags and toppers. Oh, you get some 8 sheets of 6x6 rose gold. That's really lovely. And then we're into the DSP, which is foiled. The little tiny flowers are foiled, can you see? Gold. And you get, this is really thick as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 sheets of each double-sided design. That's really pretty. It's gorgeous. Really delicate little polka dot on the back. Look at that one. Very dramatic. The more delicate pattern on the back. Oh, that's beautiful. Leaf foil. A more sort of stripy pattern. And then you've got the lovely floral. Again, which matches your stamp. Well, that's nice. Oh, look at that one. Beautiful floral paper. I think this must be in Poppy Parade, I think. It's a really sharp pink. Might be Melon Mambo. And then you've got the blue stripe there. So that is absolutely fabulous. You get 8 sheets of, how many designs have we got there? 1, 2, 3, 5. So we've got 8 sheets of 5 double-sided designs there. So that's 40 sheets. And you've got 8 sheets of your rose gold foil. That's 48. And then you've got 6 of these. You've got 54 sheets in total there. I think that's really good value, to be honest. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. Look at that. It's beautiful. I thought it was denim ribbon. Very nice. Like a rose gold edging. It's not. It's like a pink. It's lovely. I'll have to check out what the colours actually are, because this must be Melon Mambo. It's too bright to be anything else. Just looking at all my pinks. I think it's definitely Melon Mambo, even though I haven't even got the labels on half of my inks. Right, so yeah, that's gorgeous. It's really lovely, and yeah, it'd be lovely. I mean, you might, the most you're going to need is a couple of ink pads. You don't even really need that, but obviously if you want to use the stamps, you're going to need some ink. So the most you need is a couple of ink pads and some tools, standard tools, your bone folder, your card blanks, things like that, adhesives. But other than that, you've got everything you need there. So yeah, I really like that. I think